Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Evelyn. Every year, as the last leaves fall and the air turns crisp, we immerse ourselves in the warmth of the holiday season. This is the absolute best time, isn't it? It's a moment for us to pause, breathe, and dedicate our complete love to our family and ourselves. But did you know there is a sad paradox that I, as a physician specializing in working with people in the golden age of life, 50 and up, consistently witness? That is the sudden spike in hospital admissions due to blood pressure complications right after the holidays. Why is this happening? We are celebrating joy, so why does the body respond with stress? We are going to unlock 6 golden keys that I believe, when applied, will help you turn this holiday season into a memorable time without having to compromise your health. Dear friends, I want you to imagine this moment: soft holiday music, the crackle of the fireplace, and you are sitting among your loved ones, laughter echoing throughout the room. You feel grateful and happy. That's the image we crave, isn't it? But then, maybe you feel a slight heaviness in your chest, a subtle stress creeping in. Your blood pressure, which is usually a faithful companion, starts to rebel. This tension doesn't come from what you eat, but from how you live during these days. In over 20 years of practice, I've realized that managing blood pressure is not just about dietary restrictions. It is a philosophy of life, especially as we step into the years when our bodies require special attention. Let's dive into the 6 core principles, starting with the simplest things. The first thing I want to talk about may sound familiar, but it's how we apply it that truly matters. 1. Go easy on salt, but absolutely do not sacrifice flavor. We all know that sodium is the main culprit in raising blood pressure, but who wants to eat a dull holiday meal? Absolutely no one. I want you to change your perspective. Flavor is the festival. Sodium is merely an ingredient. One of my patients, Mrs. Clara, 75, once said, "Dr. Evelyn, if I don't add salt, the turkey will taste as bland as paper." I smiled and challenged her. Instead of using salt, she began using a blend of herbs: fresh rosemary, thyme, a bit of crushed garlic, and a slice of lemon. What was the result? The turkey was not only more fragrant but had a surprising depth of flavor. Mrs. Clara's blood pressure stabilized, and her family even praised the meal this year for being exceptionally fresh. If you are a guest, be smart. Eat a large, fresh salad right at the start. The fiber in greens not only aids digestion, but is a clever portion control strategy, filling you up before you get to the higher sodium dishes. 2. Hydrate with water before indulging. It sounds simple, but this is one of the most effective tips I have found. Have you ever mistaken thirst for hunger? I bet you have. When the body is dehydrated, sometimes we think we are hungry and eat more. Furthermore, during the holidays, we are easily tempted by sodas, fruit punches, or cocktails. These are full of sugar, and excess sugar will impact your blood pressure in the long run. I want you to view plain water as a protective layer. Drink a large glass of water before sitting down to eat. It is the best and most natural portion control tool you have. If you want a little excitement, try sparkling water with a slice of fresh strawberry or lemon. Your heart will thank you immensely. Now, we move on to 2 points that I consider the foundation for peace during the holidays, especially crucial for those over 50. 3. Absolutely stick to your regular medication schedule. This is my warning. During these days, your routine changes. You travel, you stay at your children's homes, you stay up late. It becomes too easy to skip or change your medication time. Your blood pressure medication is not a decoration. It is the solid foundation that keeps your heart safe. Never skip this foundation just because today is a holiday. Set an alarm on your phone precisely for the time you take your medication every day. Or, even simpler, place your pills right next to your car keys or phone, the things you can't forget. Stability in dosage is the key to avoiding dangerous complications. 4. Prioritize quality sleep. View it as an investment, not a luxury. We often think of sleep as something we can cut back on to gain more time for preparation or conversation. But I want you to know this. Sleep is the most powerful natural blood pressure lowering medication. When you sleep deeply, your body automatically regulates and reduces stress hormones. Sleep deprivation increases cortisol production, and this is the valve that opens the door for blood pressure to spike. Ask yourself, would you rather have one extra hour of conversation in the evening and risk hospitalization, or accept going to bed a little earlier so you can celebrate many more holidays with your family? 7 to 8 hours of sleep is the most valuable non-material investment you can give yourself. 5. Manage stress. Instead of just managing the menu, the holiday season means pressure, shopping, preparation, pleasing everyone. Don't let joy turn into a burden. Mental stress is a major factor driving blood pressure up. I often advise my patients to adopt a rule called the 5-minute awareness break. Before everyone sits down for dinner, or as soon as you feel a slight anxiety, retreat to a quiet corner. Breathe deeply and slowly for 5 minutes. Let your mind be completely empty or focus on 3 things you are grateful for. This simple technique not only helps you regain calm, but also sends a signal to your nervous system that everything is okay, relax. This is an extremely effective psychological strategy against high blood pressure. 6. Gentle movement. After eating, don't let blood stagnate. After a hearty meal, the body tends to become sluggish. You feel heavy and just want to sink into a chair or lie down. This is a habit that needs to be broken. I am not talking about you running 5 kilometers. I only need 15 minutes of light movement. Invite your grandchildren for a walk around the block if the weather permits. Or even better, put on some cheerful music and dance gently with everyone. Even volunteering to help clear the dishes is a great form of exercise. This light activity helps the body digest food better, regulate blood sugar, and most importantly, aids blood circulation, preventing the stagnation that easily leads to increased blood pressure. This is how you create joy without sacrificing your health. My dear friends, these 6 keys are not just tips. They are conscious choices that reflect a philosophy of life. It is the choice between choosing herbal flavor over excess salt, choosing plain water over sugary drinks, choosing complete sleep over 1 hour of staying up late, choosing 5 minutes of deep breath over accumulated stress. I want you to imagine one more time. The holiday season is over. You don't feel tired, you don't feel stressed, and most importantly, your blood pressure is stable. You have created unforgettable memories with your loved ones. What memory do you want to create this holiday season? An unnecessary hospital visit, or a hearty laugh and a healthy heart? The decision is in your hands. Take these 6 keys with you as your trusted companions. Live intentionally and healthy. Thank you for listening. If this video brought value to you, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share it with someone you love, and subscribe so we can continue this journey of caring for our golden age health together. I wish you a peaceful and radiant holiday season. Goodbye, and see you next time.